Gail here from MyRepurposedLife.com, and I'm so excited to share good news with you about my recent partnership with Ryobi Tools USA for their Outdoor Overhaul Hangout Challenge. See, it's kind of like a backyard challenge, and I have a challenged backyard. This backyard hasn't been hung out in over 25 years. It needs a lot of work. The only thing I've done back here is store old furniture pieces and work on projects, but that's all about to change. I bought a camper last summer, and I had grand plans of camping this spring and summer, but that's put on hold right now due to some health issues. So I'm going to be camping and hanging out in my new backyard in about a month, let's say. It's going to take a while to get it in order. I have a lot of work ahead of me, and I've got more details for you, but first let's take a look at what I have to do.
It's bad. Really bad. Seriously, really bad. Let's go in and take a look. Lulu is so happy. Gail, not so much. You see, I have a small backyard because I live on a corner lot. So there's not a lot of room, but there is enough space to get junky. Look at it. I have stuff everywhere. There's a lot of cleanup to do and a lot of hard work to do. We're going to take a little 360 spin here so you can get a view of the entire backyard to see what I have to work with. Bad stuff. Cleanup. Makeover. Overhaul for sure.
Wow, do I have my work cut out for me or what? Here's the fun part. You can win prizes with Ryobi Tools USA. There will be a weekly prize and one grand prize at the end.
Visit My Repurposed Life on Instagram for the prize drawing. Here are a few of the fabulous tools I received. An electric pressure washer will come in oh so handy to clean all the mold and mildew from my garage door and the garage itself. That will allow me to paint it. The lawnmower is a 40-volt. Yes, it's battery powered, and I love it. Perfect in every way. The string trimmer is part of the 40-volt expanded line, which will allow you to add more tools as you progress. This 40-volt battery-powered chainsaw will help me cut my own wood for my new fire pit. Isn't that wonderful? Cut my own wood. Yay! Now let's hear about the grand prize, Gail.
The grand prize at the end is up to $500 of Ryobi outdoor products. You can just not imagine all the tools. I showed you some of them in the video, but there are even more tools. For the grand prize eligibility, you do your own makeover and show a before and after picture of a backyard space, a patio space, or a garden space.
Visit My Repurposed Life for more details about the grand prize drawing and the rules.
So, let's take another look at the challenge I have ahead of me. I'll be back next week with another update, but for now, I got to get busy turning this backyard into a worthy camping retreat. It's going to be a lot of work. Stay tuned.
Don't you love my simple little illustration I put together for you? It gives you a sort of an overhead view of how my backyard currently looks. Not a lot to deal with except a shed and a tree. The shed will be moved from the right to the left. And here is the shed in question. Yes, it will be moved and all the junk will be gone. The garage is a drive-through garage, and you have a carport and 2 sections of fence that will be removed. So there you have it. The Outdoor Overhaul 2.0 hashtag Hangout Challenge. Check all My Repurposed Life regular social channels on Instagram, where you enter to win all the contests, and then more information on the blog weekly update videos. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to share it all with you.